What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. We're back here with Worldwide RV, and today we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Jayco Comet. This is Jayco's entry-level Class B motorhome based on the Ram Promaster 2500 chassis. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the inside. Here at the back of the Comet is where you're going to get your rear wet-style bath. You're going to get things like your toilet, shower head along with a medicine cabinet up there, and then all this storage that is made out of a waterproof material. And you also get an outside shower to rinse down after a long day. Also in the back, you have this tow hitch along with a 7-way plug, and that could tow up to 5,000 pounds. So you could even put a small trailer behind here and get even more space. Right in the kitchen area, you're going to get a single bucket sink along with tons of storage both down the side and above. And then a mini refrigerator right here along with the high point microwave and even more storage on the side. As you can see on the interior, it's currently in the bed layout configuration, and this allows you a 4.5 by 6 foot bed. You're also going to get a 32-inch smart TV up here that does hide away into the front, and then these swivel captain's chairs for more seating inside. Inside of the cockpit, you're going to get basic Ram Promaster driving setup, along with a center screen that allows you Android Auto and navigation, and even a little wireless charger down there. Everything you would expect from a modern van of this type.